What is up everyone, Jeran here, hoping you're safe and great. For this video, actually gagawa tayo ng PC. And this PC is called the Blackout PC. Pero in the middle, naging Shrek build siya.
Okay.
Kasi nakalimutan kong kulang pala ang aking fans na black. So guys, let's do the Shrek build. Alright, so konting background dito sa build na to na may nagpagawa sa akin na tago natin sa pangalang NB. Siya ay I think IT, and then nagpagawa siya sa akin ng computer, and yung budget niya is around 35 to 40k at the time of building that computer. And of course, pandemic, so medyo nagtataasan yung mga price natin. And actually, ang build, dun sa build na ginawa niya sa binigay ko sa kanyang price list is actually wala pa daw 500 gigabytes na HDD or hard disk yung ating Samsung 500 gigabytes, and wala din dun yung RX 570. Actually, yung GPU na ginamit niya, na gusto niya is GTX 1050 Ti. So 30% improvement at almost the same price. So pinalitan ko ng RX 570. Of course, may konting price hike, so it's okay. So surprise natin siya with that. And of course, yung ating Samsung 500 gigabytes, of course, dagdag na din natin yun for free. Alright, para sa mga components na ginamit ko dito sa Biglang Shrek build, for the processor, we have the Ryzen 5 3600X. And for our motherboard, we have the MSI Mortar Max na black siya, and actually more black siya than gray. And then for our RAM, we have the Team Group T-Force Dark 16GB 3200 MHz na RAM. Good dual sticks na memory for budget. And then you have your storage. We have the Samsung 500GB and the Samsung Evo 970 M.2 NVMe for the OS. And then case is the Inplay Meteor 3 na black din, of course. For our graphics card, we have the RX 570, and fans natin, 4 pieces na fans na green na kaya naging Biglang Shrek build to. And then for our power supply, we have the Seasonic S212 bronze na 620 megawatts. Watts. So ito yung build, so go. Alright, so that was all for that video build. So this is the Biglang Shrek PC build. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, just click on that like button and subscribe to my channel for more PC build guides like this and for more tech stuff like this. And guys, I'll see you on the next one.